Hello everyone. Next topic is inserting a new node in middle of the linked list. So for this we have to create three nodes in total, node 1, 2 and 3, and we will insert node 3 in between node 1 and node 2 like this. Let's see this with an example. First of all, we have to declare a node, struct node in data, struct node link. Node contains two parts, data part as well as link part. So initially we have to declare a pointer, start pointer with an value start equal to null. So that means there is no node in the linked list. Initially start value is null. Okay. Now we have to create node 1, 2 and node number 3 using malloc function. Okay. We create a node and malloc function returns address of a node. Let's say the node 1 address is 1000. This is node 1. Using malloc function, I have created this node, and node contains two parts, the data and the link part. Node 1 of data part contains integer value 10. Node 1 of link part contains null value. That means it is the only node in the list. And start equal to node 1. That means start now contains the address of node 1. What is the address of node 1? 1000. So now start is not containing null value anymore. It contains address of node 1, which is 1000. That means start pointer now points to node 1. This is how we create node 1. Now again with the same procedure using malloc function, we have to create node 2. Node 2. This is node number 2, and malloc function returns the address for node 2 also. Let's say that address is 2000. Again node contains two parts, data part and link part. Now node 2 of data contains integer value 20 and node 2 of link contains null value. That means this is the last node in the list. Okay. Node 1 of link, which is null initially. Now node 1 of link is equals to node 2. That means node 1 of link now contains the address of node 2. Now what is the address of node 2? 2000. So that means node 1 of link part contains 2000 value instead of null. Node 1 of link is equals to node 2. Node 2 means address of node 2. So node 1 of link part now contains 2000 value. That means node 1 points to node 2 now. Okay, like this. Now again we have to create another node, that is node 3, using the same procedure, that is malloc function. So as you all know, malloc function returns address of node. Let's say the address of node 3 is 3000. This is node 3. It also contains two parts, data part and link part. Node 3 of data part contains integer value 30 and node 1 of link is equals to node 3. That means node 1 of link contains the address of node 3. That means what is the address of node 3 now? 3000. So instead of 2000, now node 1 of link part contains the address of node 3, which is 3000. Okay. Node 1 of link is equals to node 3. That means now node 1 of link part contains the address of node 3. That means now node 1 no more points to this node 2. It points to now node number 3. Like this. Node 1 points to node number 3. Now node 3 of link is equals to node 2. That means node 3 of link part contains the address of node 2. Address of node 2 is 2000. Node 3 of link is equals to node 2. That means node 2 means address of node 2. So node 3 of link part contains the address of node 2, which is 2000. Node 2 address is 2000. So node 3 of link part contains 2000 value. That means node 3 points to node 2. Node 2 of link is equals to null, which is null already. So this is how I have inserted node 3 in between node 1 and node 2. Okay. Now let's traverse this list. Let's see what all elements are present in this list. Using p pointer, again p pointer struct node asterisk p equal to start. So what is the start value? 1000. So p contains 1000 value. P contains 1000 means it is now p points to node number 1. While p is not equal to null, this condition is true because p is 1000 not null. We will enter into the loop and p printf p of data. P points to 1000. That means node 1. So what is node 1 of data? P of data is what? 10. So 10 will be printed. Now we have to update the value of p. P equal to p of link. That means p of link. P of link is what? 3000. So now p contains 3000 value. Again, we have to check the while condition, which is true again. It is not null. So p of data. That means now p is not pointing to 1000. It is now points to this node number 3. So because its value is 3000. So what is p of data? Now p of data is 30. Again, we have to update link part. P equal to p of link, that is 2000 now. Link part of p is 2000 now. So p now 2000 and now p points to node number 2. Now what? P of data is what? 20. So 20 will be printed. Now again we have to implement update p equal to p of link, which is now null. So p is now null. Again we have to check the while condition. P is null now. So this condition is false and we will be out of the loop. So 10, 30 and 20 will be printed. This is the list because 30 contains node 3 contains 30 data. Now that means I have inserted node 3 in between node 1 and node 2. Okay. So let's run this program. This is the output. Elements in linked list 10, 30, 20. So I have inserted node number 3 in between node 1 and node 2. Okay. You can take the screenshot of this whole program. This is the program. Thank you so much, everyone.